Hola, buenas noches con todos. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michelle. And for today's video, basically guys, I have some unboxing videos here on my files, and I want to make this video on all of those. You know, I want to compile all my unboxing, not everything, kasi yung iba kong na-unbox, hindi ko na siya na video. So, why not make a video out of it, diba? Because before, I've been really thinking to make an unboxing video, pero hindi ko na rin siya nagawa sa phone ko. Na-delete ko na yung iba kong mga files since I woke up from coma. So, yeah. I don't know what's running through my mind, pero dinelete ko yun. Dami kong dinelete sa phone ko. And to start fresh, I was like, this 2025, okay, I want to start fresh. Dinelete ko yung lahat ng files ko for the past years. Ang dami kong files dito sa phone, like photos, videos, dinelete ko. So anyhow, yeah, let's continue with this video. If you're interested to watch me unboxing some items, nothing grand, nothing luxurious, just simply for fun, guys. You know, just relax. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel kung na-enjoy nyo panoorin itong video ko. And thank you so much. Let's get started. Hi guys! Ayan guys, dumating na yung aking delivery from Shopee. Of course, always Shopee. Order kasi ako ng planner, 2025 planner, and naisip ko wala pa akong planner ng 2025. So, eto na, nabuksan ko na siya guys. Itim na plastic as usual. Sana no, hindi na nila gawing plastic. Sana paper na lang. Pero sa bagay, kasi hindi talaga maiwasan yung plastic dahil mababasa rin siya. So, I already got my planner. Pinunit ko na siya. Pagka yung ano. So, ayan siya, 2025. And let me unbox. Unbox na nga, di ba? Yan, tingnan natin ang sabay-sabay. I am a big sucker for planner, journal, diary. As in, every year, I really... Ewan ko ba kailan ba nagsimula? Starbucks! Sa best friend ko, BFF ko na si MJ. So, talagang nakikitan kami. At first, nakikitan lang talaga kami sa planner ng Starbucks. Nung nag-work na kami, take note guys, nung nag-work na kami, kasi estudyante, hindi yan. I don't suggest students na mag-planner, Starbucks, kasi tipirin nyo na lang yung pera nyo, okay? If you have enough, or you have extra, then go for Starbucks. Kami kasi, nag-start kami nito, ano sana pupuntang kwento, te? Anyways, nag-start na ako mag-planner nung may work na ako. During student days, notebook lang. Yung mga simpleng notebook lang, di ba? Mga cute notebook na nakikita mo na sa National Bookstore or sa kahit saan. And then, nung nag-start na ako mag-work, I started earning money. Doon na ako nagkaroon ng proper planner para sa akin. So, every year, meron talaga akong planner. Super. Yan, ipa-flash ko na lang dito sa screen. And every year, hindi ako yung tipo na nagda-diary talaga na consistently, religiously, na sinusulat ko talaga lahat. Somehow, I like writing something about my life or about my day. But most of the time, mas gusto kong magplano. Yan ang napansin ko in the last years na nagpa-planner ako or nag-journal. Mas gusto kong magsulat ng mga future plans ko, or just say monthly expenses or monthly bills. It helps me track my financial responsibilities, especially nung nag-start na ako especially nung nag-start na ako mag-work. Yan, nagpo-promote? Ano yan, te? Anyways, guys, let's unbox and tingnan natin yung quality nito. So, meron siyang iba't ibang color. Meron atang cream, black, and pink. Pero this one, ayan, 2025 diary. Tingnan natin siya. Compare natin, guys.
Ayan, before natin siya buksan guys, ito yung last year ko, 2024 Daily Wellness Diary, Healthy Habits, Happy Life, Invest in Your Happiness. So this was my 2024 diary planner, everything. Diba ang kapal niya? This is from Typo. I bought this in Dubai Mall. And grabe. Diba? But I really like it kahit na makapal kasi ganito siya, parang every month may mga encouraging words siya, things to do. It's good for therapy rin. Kaya ang kapal niya sobra. But I like it. Naghanap ako ng ganito pero dito sa Pilipinas, pero I think wala siya dito sa Pilipinas. Wala ata siya. Ewan ko saan pa siya meron. So okay lang naman. Wala namang problema. Anyways, this is what I got for 2025. Let's see anong meron sa loob, guys. Parang ang lambot ng cover niya. Hindi ko maintindihan kung leather ba siya. I think this is leather. Para siyang leather na fondant. Parang fondant cake. Malambot yung niya, cover niya. I like it. Very smooth. So you have a calendar. Yan. Very personal information. Autobiography. May calendar na for 2026, 2027. So calendar na siya for 3 years. Ayan lang siya, guys. So nakuha ko na siya. Ang smooth na cover. At least meron na akong 2025. Tama! I got my order from InPlay. You can purchase them from Lazada. This is a gaming keyboard and a mouse. Okay, I don't have a desktop or computer. I'm just using my laptop. This laptop, I could say this laptop is really, really matibay. It's been with me for years. And normally, mga laptop na binibili ko dito sa Pilipinas, siguro 1 to 2 years lang siya, wala na. So, I got this from UK, from England, way back 2019, 2020 pa, during pandemic time. And until now, buhay pa rin siya. Nagamit ko na siya sa mga iba't ibang type of work. And I've been traveling. So, I'm really thankful for this laptop. Sana magtagal pa talaga siya sa akin. So, anyhow, kapag meron kayong bagong dating or bagong purchase na ganitong keyboard, this is how you test it. So, make sure mo muna, i-check mo kompleto ba talagang keyboard niya. Although, it's very understandable sa mga keyboard. Talagang kaya mo lang, pwede mo lang siyang tanggalin. Ito. Nauusli lang talaga siya. Pero, don't worry. Kasi pag natanggal ito, dumating yung order niya at dumating ito, pwede nyo naman siyang idikit lang ulit. So, it's no biggie. At saka parang mas madali siyang linisin kapag pwede siya. I like it white kasi gusto ko ng clean look lang. Okay, parang minimalist. So, this keyboard has an option for like gaming lights. So paggabi, ayan, different colors of lights. Para siyang gaming. Same goes with this. Pink siya. Pero kung sa araw naman, ayaw mo na may ilaw siya, ganyan lang. Para simple lang siya. Anyhow, okay, pull up anything from your screen. Laptop mo yan, o desktop mo yan, Microsoft Word, documents, or notepad, or note. Anything na pwede niyong pag-typean. Ganito yung matetest yung mga keyboard. Ano ko ba? Ganyan. So, lahat ng keys na ito, itry nyo. But first, do this, ito. Itong mga letters na to. And then, itong mga numbers na to. Pindot-pindutin nyo lang. Tapos, titignan nyo sa screen kung gumagana siya. Space, gumagana. Backspace natin. Okay, gumagana ang enter. Gumagana. Caps lock. Try natin caps lock. Gana caps lock. Eh, yung mga dito. Try natin numlock. Numlock. Siyempre, numlock. Hindi siya gagana. I-on natin. Plus. Eh, i-shift natin. Doon ba ang shift? Hindi. Ito, kita nyo guys. Itong plus, pag pinipindot ko siya, tingnan nyo. Enter. Enter lang siya. So, yun. Doon nyo malalaman na may sira siya. So, pag ganito, inform nyo na agad si seller. Kasi, ba't po ganon? Ah, yun ang plus. Tangik, baliktad, guys. Tingnan mo. Dito naka-enter, pero plus ang lumalabas. So, mali ang pagkalagay nito. So, kailangan natin tanggalin. Anong problem? Kasi tatanggalin lang naman yan. Pakita ko sa inyo paano tanggalin. Ayan ako. See? And, interchange mo lang sila. Palit natin siya dito. And, enter. Dito. Wala namang problema. Ayan. It's fixed. So far, wala naman ang problema. Okay naman siya lahat, guys. And itong mouse, it works perfectly. And also, nag-order pala ako ng ganito, guys. Headset. From Shopee rin siya. Galing rin pala siya kay InPlay. So, this is from one brand. From InPlay, Shopee. So, I do have this adapter siya. If any case, kailangan ko siyang gamitin sa cellphone. Meron siyang pang Type-C. So, pwede rin pala siya sa mga mobile devices. Kasi pang Type-C, I can use it for recording or taking calls. That's good. It's really good. You cannot, kasi before, yung mga ganyan kasing headset na mga ginagamit ko, it's just for laptop. And it's kinda hassle to have, kasi paminsan nagkaka-technical problem ka or down yung system sa laptop. So, paminsan, mas gusto mong gawin yung meeting. Zoom, lalo na pag Zoom. Gusto mo na lang gawin yung Zoom meeting sa phone. So, pag gagawin ko siya sa phone, paminsan kasi pag naka-speaker, nagkakarinigan. So, or is disturbo. So, gusto mo na lang talaga siya i-take sa headset. So, that's a really good option. At saka, meron siyang extra na, anong tawag dito? Cover. Yung ear cover. Ear cover? Correct me, guys, if I'm wrong. Basta yung ganito. So, ang gagawin ko, ilalagay ko to, itatago ko to sa plastic. Itatago ko to sa plastic since may extra. Kasi, pero sana lang nagbigay sila ng mga dalawa o tatlo na ganito. Para diba extra. Ayan, sinisipon na ako dahil sa alikabok. Ewan ko ba tong ano ko, allergy ko. Hindi ko tayo mayaman. Nag-aastang mayaman tong ano ko. Itong katawan ko. Guys, you see this. Wala tong unan ha, sa akin to. Alaghan ko pa yan. So, I got this chair. Ako lang nag-assemble na to. So, pakita ko rin sa inyo sa video. Ayan. Ako lang nag-assemble niyan. Gusto ko talaga yung design niya. It's very sleek and clean.
Unboxing po tayo. This is Hanabishi Juice Extractor. May ganito po siya. Guarantee. Ang kanyang manual, instruction. Here it goes! Ganito siya. And ganito. Ano to? So, the reason as to why nagkaganito po ako, kasi nga po, because of I only have one kidney now in my CKD. So, kailangan ko mag-start na healthy eating, healthy living. Kaya naisip ni Kuya to help me is to add some vegetables or fruits. I think, ganun din para sa kanya. Gusto niya rin itong magamit. So, while he's here, try natin to. Iniisip ko carrots, kasi maganda kasi yung carrots. Ano ba to? Ito dito, gano'n. Tapos dito.
This part of the unboxing is brought to you by Barley Coffee. So if you are interested in ordering the Barley Coffee, not just coffee actually, because they have the juice, they have the mocha, they have different flavors, not just the coffee. And if you're interested in ordering, please message my friend Bessie. You can message her on our Facebook account and just let her know if you're interested. Alam ko, hindi ako loud dito sa type of drink na ito, but I still recommend it to my friends and family. So, as of now, they really like it. They have been trying the coffee every morning, and they said if they feel like parang natutunawan sila agad. So, especially in the morning, they take it. It's good. We haven't tried yet the juice, but I do recommend it to them. But for now, I'm not taking any, although gusto ko talaga siya i-try. Pero my doctor or nephrologist doesn't recommend it as of the moment since I do have my CKD. So, that's how it looks like for the coffee. I have the mocha, and I have the green organic barley juice.
Hi guys, as of for today, meron akong package. Ito, meron akong in-order online. As you can tell, it's from a DIY candle making kit. Binuksan ko na actually siya, pero hindi ko pa siya talaga hinalungkat. The reason as to why I order this is, matagal ko na talagang gusto matutong gumawa ng scented candles. First of all, gusto ko mag-business before ng scented candles because I think it's very relaxing, and also I wanted to make it as a hobby, diba? So ayun, I ordered this sa Shopee na mga 600 plus, 665 or 667. I will just flash it on the screen. So let's open the kit. Okay, so meron silang itong instructions, thank you card as well, and then ito yung stick niya, anong tawag dito, basta ito. And then they also have, it comes along with the DIY candle making kit instructions for use, and also the stickers. And then they have this, yung kanilang wax. Meron siyang wax and meron siyang ganito. So kung gusto ko siyang gawin sa ganito, if not, I can make it here sa ganito, diba? Ang bango niya guys, naamoy ko na siya. And over here, hindi ko na muna siya ilalabas lahat guys ha, kasi hindi ko pa siya, kailangan ko pa siya i-organize and everything. So nandito yung parang kanyang metal bottle bang tawag sa ganito, basta yung whiskers ng metal. And then they gave me 2 cent. Meron tayong vanilla, and meron tayong lemon. And also there's more. Oh, they have some designs, like mayroon silang heart shape. They have this for small ones. Oh, para doon sa ano, para dito. And yeah, heart shapes. Yun lang naman ang laman niya guys. I guess I will do a separate video, include ko lahat ng mga unboxing videos ko for the items, para much organized siya for me. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.